This house needs some backup power to run their air conditioner during the very hot Arizona summers. And the easiest way to do that is with the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra. We're installing 5.6 kilowatts of solar on this 12.3 kilowatt hour battery pack. But the real problem here is that even at 9:20 at night, it's 100 degrees outside. In many cases, many people don't want to put holes on the roof of their house. They don't want to do any penetrations because there's a concern of having water come in. And so in this case here in Arizona, they have a special spray that's been put on the roof, and they don't want to jeopardize the warranty of the roof or have any water penetrations, so we're doing what's called a ballast system. And a ballast system simply uses these 40-pound concrete blocks. We have nearly 200 of them, and using them as a weight system to hold the solar panels down. I'm going to show you in just a second how hot it is while we're doing this, and it makes sense why most people in this area don't work past 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Since we are from Idaho and don't understand what heat is, we just keep working through the afternoon. But we definitely noticed going up these ladders was very tiring, and so we rented this scissor lift in order to get all of the equipment onto the roof. This was worth every penny because I would have absolutely hated to move 200 of these 40-pound blocks. Look at how much my heart rate's going up, and this is not carrying the blocks up the ladder. It's ridiculously hot out, and that's why we even have this sunshade on the top of the roof with us. The scissor lift said it could hold 500 pounds, but we found that even with only 10 blocks or close to 400 pounds, that it was struggling really bad to get the bricks on the roof. We're moving very gently across the roof because we can tell that our hearts are racing in this heat. So we're doing everything we can to mitigate overheating and get heat exhaustion. We're able to get this installed in about 2 days, and really it's not overly complicated. These baskets here are what hold the bricks as well as the solar panels. We even use the scissor lift to get the solar panels on the roof. So if you have the option to use a scissor lift, I highly recommend it. It makes life so much easier with bringing any equipment up onto a roof. These are 400 watt bifacial solar panels, and they should do really well because it's 114 degrees, so it's really sunny, and because of this white roof, it should reflect a lot of sun to help boost how much power it can make. Because it was so hot, we waited till the evening to continue doing this job because it was absolutely killing us. This system is from Unirac, which is by and large one of the biggest solar rack suppliers across the US. So if you want to get something that'll work on your slanted roof or a shingle roof or metal roof, or even other flat roof options, be sure to check them out. They're not a sponsor or anything like that. They're just widely available and easy to use, and they're also very affordable. We opted for the 10-degree tilt because we wanted to have as much tilt as possible in order to work the best during the winter when the sun is lower in the sky. This whole system was approved by the AHJ, which is the authority having jurisdiction. It's basically the city office or the county office. If you use the Unirac builder system, then it'll actually tell you how many bricks need to go into each basket to have the proper weight to withstand all of the wind and monsoon season, everything that comes through this area in Arizona. And the same will apply for you wherever you are if you want to use this system. The bricks simply go in the basket, and the solar panels go into each one of these clamps on the top of the basket. There's approximately 12 inches of space between each row, which makes it really easy to have the two of us walking in front and behind the solar panels in order to make all of our connections, get everything bolted on, and put more bricks into place where necessary. We went with 14 solar panels for this system because that's the maximum that you can put on an EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra, and that equals 5.6 kilowatts. One of the reasons why the Delta Pro Ultra is one of my top recommended systems is because it's so easy to put together, has 240 volt split phase output, and the batteries are stackable, meaning it takes up very little space on the floor to put it in a closet, in your garage, or anywhere else that you need to store it. And what's crazy enough is that the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra can start their 5-ton air conditioner that's at this house. The air conditioner has a built-in soft start, so if you don't have that and you have a really large air conditioner, make sure to get an additional soft start so it can handle it. But I personally use my Delta Pro Ultra for backup power at my house, and it's very reliable. I've not had any issues with it, so I can highly recommend it. All of the wires go to this junction box and then across the roof, but because this is a flat roof, the conduit's not allowed to be lying on the roof. So we use 6-inch pieces of unistrut and unistrut clamp to hold the pipe up off of the ground and then jump over this parapet wall. We also run our grounding along alongside of it, and our wires will come down into the garage all inside conduit so that it can connect to the Delta Pro Ultra. It comes in these big boxes with the inverter in one box and the batteries each in their own other box. It goes on a cart, it all stacks together, you put the cables together on the side, and you're up and running. It's seriously one of the fastest and easiest systems to put together. So if you want to get a similar system to this, you can go to the website poweredportablesolar.com, soon to be minutemansolar.com, or if you want to get extra discounts, just click the links down below. It'll take you directly to EcoFlow where you can get this equipment. If you want a backup system like this for your home, simply email me to info@minutemansolar.com and be happy to help you figure out which system's going to be the best for you. The Delta Pro Ultra though is definitely one of my top choices.